In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clip a text mask in Canva. This is a fantastic way to personalize and style text in your projects, whether you're creating posters, invitations, or social media graphics. So let's dive in and get started. First things first, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to canva.com. Don't forget to log into your Canva account before proceeding, as you'll need access to all the features we're going to use today. Once you're logged in, look toward the left side of your screen where you'll see a menu. Click on Templates to browse Canva's vast collection of design options. For our demonstration today, we'll use the poster template, but feel free to select any other template that suits your project. After selecting your template, you're going to see an option to create a blank design. Go ahead and click that, which will take you to a fresh canvas, ready for your creative touch. Next, let's bring in the letters for our text mask. Head to the Elements tab on the left sidebar. It's a treasure trove of design elements Canva offers. In the search bar, type letter frame and hit enter. The results will show letters that appear like they have sky or cloud images inside them, making them stand out beautifully. Click on See All to view the entire range of these letter frames. You can now click individually on each letter frame that you need to spell out your title. Arrange these letters on your canvas, paying attention to how they are spaced and sized. You can adjust this to match your design vision, whether you want a spacious look or something more compact. Now it's time to add images to your text. Look for the Uploads tab, which allows you to upload any images you want to use. Once your images are uploaded, click and drag the image you want and hover it directly over the first letter frame. You're going to hold down your mouse button and only release it once the image snaps nicely inside the letter frame, filling it up perfectly. Repeat this process for each letter in your title. For a cohesive look, you might choose to use the same image for every letter or mix it up for an eclectic vibe if that's more in line with your creative goals. If you need to adjust the position of the image within any letter, just double click on the letter frame. This action will allow you to move, rotate, or resize the image inside the letter boundary to get that perfect crop and alignment. And there you have it, a beautifully styled text mask in Canva. This method opens up a whole new world of design possibilities, letting you infuse text with images in a stylish and personalized way. I'm excited to see what you create with this technique. Thanks for watching and happy designing.